Hi guys, today we are back at Walmart. I want to check out any new arrivals they may have had in the last few weeks. I definitely want to focus on free assembly. You love free assembly. Scoop, and any possible Devil Wears Prada merchandise. I will curate some things and try everything on that I curate, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Let's get started. Wow, you guys, this is duping some really high-end swimwear right here. This knit is amazing, and it's such good quality. The weave is so tight. This basket weave, it's so tight. This could be easily a higher end brand with this cross stitching detail. I love that. They're so good. This crocheted bikini is gorgeous. This stitching is so trendy right now. The bottoms are so nicely made and they're not too revealing. I love that they are a full bottom. This is a great bikini set. Wow, this is a great pattern. Harkens back to the 1960s, but with a more updated look, like right here, where we see that keyhole and then also the gold fascinators. I really like this a lot. This is a great one piece, very stylish. And it also comes in a two piece with a similar closure as the one piece, but with straps across the neck. Oh my gosh, look how cute the bottoms are. Look at this, this is so cute. I love that little tie, that is such a great detail. And I love that they're, again, a full bottom. How freaking adorable is this print? And how much does this fit the trend right now for contrast with blue and red and pink? And a lot of them are already gone. And it's like a stringed bikini, but not as revealing. Look at the full back. That's really nice. It's full coverage, but also with strings. These type of shorts have been taking off on social media and also in stores. I feel like they're like your boyfriend or your husband's boxer short look, but I think it's really cute. These definitely are higher quality. They're thicker. I think they're 100% cotton. I really like the look. I'm a sucker for those casual looks, you guys. How darling is this lace woven shirt by Jessica Simpson? Of course, Jessica Simpson would make something like this. I mean, first of all, the quality is great. And it works so well for summertime because when you want that coolness, you could just wear a tank underneath it and maybe a pair of capris or even baggy loose jeans. It works in so many ways. I feel like her forte is knits. This is her thing, is making knits. Look at this dress by Scoop. It was just hanging there. I think it was calling for me to try it on. And I am absolutely gonna do that because I am a sucker for large prints and for this beautiful neckline and for these slightly puffed sleeves and how light and airy this feels. Look at this light and airy and fun dress by Free Assembly. Such beautiful embroidery here. And then I like that it has tie shoulders. That's like a nice detail you don't find often anywhere really anymore. And I like the crispness. I think it's like a poplin material. This is kind of an interesting look, but I'm very drawn to it. I like the print. It's by Free Assembly, and I like that it just has matching pants with it. Like, it gets rid of a lot of guesswork in the morning. So I'm gonna try this on. Today I want to speak on something that I noticed that a lot of people do, a lot of women do, and that's they save their good clothes for a special occasion or for when they get the body that they've always wanted, so then they deserve wearing those clothes. You don't need to deserve wearing your clothes. You're worthy of wearing your good clothes. Your body right now, the way it is also worthy of new clothes. You don't have to wait until your body is a certain size, a certain shape to buy new clothes. It's really important to buy clothes to fit the body you're in right now. It's a way of accepting yourself. And when you don't do that and you insist on wearing ill-fitting clothes as a punishment because you haven't reached a certain size, you're really communicating to yourself that you're not worthy. And that starts a whole shame spiral of not feeling worthy. It's really bad for your self-esteem. So I urge you now to do two things: to wear your nice things, to carry your nice bags, but also to consider buying clothes for the body you're in right now. And that's a small step in loving yourself as you are. Guys, look at this cute button-down cardigan. It's almost like a nautical look. Yeah, I would say it's a nautical look. It's got embroidery. It's got this cute lifesaver, some cute little sailboats, an anchor. I think it's really great for any occasion. I could see going to lunch in this. I could see wearing this over a cute, fun, flirty dress. A really great discovery. Here's some white, what look like 100% cotton shorts. I'm gonna try these on for you by Time and Tru, but this is what I'm talking about when I say there's so many hidden gems at Walmart that like you really have to have some patience and look around, or you can have me do the looking for you. Remember, all the links are down below, by the way. But look how cute, the drawstrings, the huge pockets, which Time and Tru is known for. It's a very cute linen-y look, if you know what I mean by linen-y. I think it also comes in black. Yes, yes it does. It also comes in black. A very fun leaf pattern dress by Time and Tru. Very unique. Look at this cutout, laser cutouts. Very cute. Makes it look more upscale. I'm loving this linen top by Time and Tru. Like, look how gorgeous it is. I like these little gathers here right above the chest. That is so cute. Such a cute detail. And I love the sleeves. I love that the sleeves are double lined. I think it's 100% cotton and it's very high quality. Wasn't expecting to see something so edgy here, but yeah, I'm gonna try these on. It's like a washed olive green color, and this is by Time and Tru. Another really cute short by Time and Tru. This is more of a dressed up, gathered look. Really in right now. Gonna find my size. These are super cute. I can't pass this up. Look at this denim dress. So trendy everywhere right now. I like that it's very lightweight and airy. You know, that's my thing. Very cute. I love the buttons. I love how thin it is. I love the V-neck. Giving you that open neckline is so important. Yeah, this is a great length. Look at these cute hats. Oh my gosh, the cutest bucket hats. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, whoops. Oh my gosh, you guys, these accessories. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is for your hair. Oh, so cute. Look at this, gorgeous. Oh, little clips for your hair. This would look so amazing in dark hair. Love them. Oh, it's a seashell. And pearls. Oh, so cute. A lot of people are buying these. Oh my gosh. Some of these are almost sold out. And then look below, some sarongs. These sarongs are beautiful. Oh, look at this black sarong. That is perfect sarong for a cover-up. Oh, so Skims coated, right? So much. And let's look at this lighter design. Another really gorgeous design with the white swimsuit. So cute. Oh my gosh. I love what they're doing nowadays. Look at these bucket bags. Oh, so cute. These are gorgeous and they're not small. These are big, hefty bags. I have got on that Scoop dress that was on its own, just hanging there. I don't even know if there's more of it. I'm sure there is online. So cute. Let me do a twirl. So feminine. I loved how it's light and airy. Does it have pockets? No pockets. I love the neckline. It's so feminine. I love the gathering here. I love the print. It's not overpowering. It's not like one of those prints you have to be in the mood for. It's just perfection. Just so feminine here. I love the silhouette. I love everything about it. If you're short-waisted, if you're long-waisted, it doesn't matter. It just gives you that nice curvy line. It's actually so cute with a tie too. But yeah, how gorgeous is this? Something like this look would be very cute with the Bermuda short because it gives your waist definition and it doesn't increase width in this area. So This is one option of wearing it like this. And I have everything linked down below so you can get all the size information for the short. I'm currently wearing a size 4 in them. Oh my gosh, you guys, these shorts are so darling. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. Another view right here of them closer up. Do you see how they billow out just a bit right here? I think that's what makes them extra charming, you know? You guys, I'm shocked by how beautiful this top is on. This is the Jessica Simpson knit, crocheted, whatever you'd like to call this cardigan. It has button closures all the way down, and it's just so good. It is just so high quality. Look at the scalloping on the sleeves, scalloping at the neckline. This is just my microphone. It's just so cute, so high quality. You could wear it with a bra underneath. I'm wearing a nude bra right now, or just like a white cami. I paired it with the Jessica Simpson pants. Looks like a skirt, but it's actually pants. So comfortable, so cute. Do a little twirl. Yeah, they're just really cute. The whole look is just such a vibe, such a boho, beachy vibe. Okay guys, I have the denim dress on. I think it's a very cute, just running errands dress. Kind of like your average everyday casual dress. I don't really see it being something you could dress up too much, but from day to day, it's a nice casual look. Has a very soft touch appeal, very comfortable, and it has very nice movement, pockets, and you don't have to wear a bra with it. So overall, very cute. Okay guys, so I have that first little knit cardigan on. So cute, love the buttons, love the embroidery. And I have it on with these shorts. These shorts are a little bit too light and airy to wear with it, but I still think it shows it off really well. The shorts on their own are very cute. I think they're 100% cotton. Very, very cute. Pockets by Time and Tru, both things. Just a very quality, high-end look. Okay, how cute are these ties? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I don't think I even tied them the best, and they're still so cute. I love the drop waist. I love the embroidery on this dress. Of course it has pockets, like of course. Oh, so cute. I love it. So fresh and just so cute. I love this dress. You guys, you need to at least try it on. Just order it and try it on. It's just the cutest. Imagine like wearing it to a picnic or like a family reunion, or just a regular day. Like I said, a regular day you could wear this on and just feel special and good. Okay guys, and the last look I am trying on. I am so surprised, but I love it. This is just such high quality, so trendy. I just love the whole look. I think it's a ready to wear look. I think I love that there are cuffs to the pants and that they don't come up too short, not too long. They're like the perfect length pants in such high quality. I love the back. I love that it's a slight street style. It's just a great look. I love it. So I am walking out of Walmart right now, and I just wanted to say that every one of the issues that I talk to you about, I am actively dealing with those myself. So it's not a thing of like, oh, I've overcome this and now I'm telling you how you should overcome it. No, I'm literally working on it. Like, confidence is a daily work in progress. It's an active working recovery. I never want you to feel like I'm preaching. I'm definitely not, because I have no place to preach. You know, sometimes it's nice to hear somebody on the same part of the path as you, you know? Or even just teensy bit ahead. And sometimes I'm a teensy bit behind you all. So it's never like it's set in stone. Does that make sense? I just want to remind you though that live your life for today. Wear your best looks, or wear looks that you've been saving, okay? Not for some morbid reason like today might be your last day on earth, but simply for the reason of giving your body your mind the message that you are worthy. Let me know if there's any looks that caught your eye. Let me know what else you want to see from me. I am doing makeup as well. Let me know what makeup looks you may want to see from me. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.